All right, guys. I have no idea what trail this is. What trail is this?
I have no. It's like Joker or something like that.
Oh, it's the Jack of Diamonds. Jack of Diamonds.
Yeah, Jack of Diamonds.
I got
Black
it.
Diamond.
Yeah, this is our first time riding it. We already sort of looked at it, but we didn't ride it yet. So let's go. This looks great, dude. Almost didn't clear that. Some fun rollers. Oh yeah, dude, this is great. Oh man, I really love gear. All right. I haven't even looked at this part though. I'm not gonna clean this. Yeah. Yeah, not clearing that either. You can just jump the rollers. Okay. I have no idea what was on the other side of this. Okay, glad I didn't jump it. Dude, that was awesome. Yeah, that was great. And now back to uphill. No ski lift.
Oh yeah. How was that possible? Oh. Yeah, this is big. Holy cow. Yeah, that's definitely a setup. You need speed for that. Oh. Can you see the landing? Oh. Oh, I'm losing all my speed.
All right, so we're doing the part, well, technically this is part 3, but we already did we just didn't show the uphill.
Yeah.
So now we're just doing the downhill.
We're doing another downhill.
That's Cisco with the brand new downhill, well, not brand new, but it's new to him, downhill bike.
There's a bee right by your spoke.
Bro, that's a Hornet. All right, let's go. All right, you want to go first?
No, you go first.
All
I
right.
had fun. I had fun.
All right, I got you. Yeah, this is our pre-ride. So I have no idea what any of this is. So oh, this is sick, dude. It's so flowy. A lot of rocks, though. I mean, obviously it's Pennsylvania, so. Oh, dude, you could totally send this. I'm not going to, though. I'm not prepared for that right now. Nice line choices. Oh boy. Interesting. going, okay. Yo, this is actually sick. Okay. Nice air. Just pop the rollers. Oh yeah. I don't know what this is. Okay.
Alright, yeah, like actually, so we've never hit. Oh wait, yeah, these are the ones that we've hit. Oh, that's perfect. We don't even have. Holy cow, that is a center. I didn't want to do that. Holy cow, I want to do this again. Yeah. This is crazy. Like, how do you do this? What does it say?
This is what you have to do after every trail, unless you're at like a ski resort. But yeah, that was sick. We're gonna hit that again. I'm gonna clear everything except, or I'm gonna try to clear everything except the doubles. The doubles are scary, bro, because those are gap jumps.
And no, and those aren't any ordinary. The lips are deformed, and plus they're massive.
Yeah, like if you miss that, you're going over the bars, and it's gonna hurt.
And plus, we've never ridden this trail, so
yeah, that was our first time riding it. I think I did pretty well for pre-ride. Okay, time to walk up a huge hill.
All right, yeah, we're gonna head down the same trail.
Yeah, we're going down again.
This is free ride now.
This is.
We're not gonna do the doubles because they're just deformed.
The doubles are scary because it's a little bit deformed and it's scary.
And plus, it's the first time riding this, so let's get.
Yeah. Get a little cutty at the end. There you go. This one's a center. Yeehaw, boy. This is sick, bro. I'm not hitting this one, bro. Oh boy, almost went over the bars, but it's fine, no. Ow. Just hit a rock into my frame. It's all good though. Some of these are scary. Like I'm not hitting this step up. I'm not hitting that. Like this double, bro, I'm not hitting that. I lost all my speed, sadly, but I'm not hitting that. That's scary, bro. Oh, that's sick. Okay, I can clear that. I'm not clearing that either. I could, but I'm not going to. Descended on all of those. Ooh, baby. Beautiful. That was sick.
Oh. That hurt.
It hurt?
No, hold on.
It hurt?
What? Oh my god. I freaking almost died. Weird. Oh, I almost crashed. Oh, crap. Oh, this is not as good as last run.
On today's episode of Not Riding Bikes, we're hiking up another hill. Isn't that fun, Cisco? I mean, it was worth it though. Like to do that jump track, that was awesome.
I almost died.
I almost died too. I almost went over the bars.
So you have like the second roller out of the berm.
Yeah.
And I oversent it. Well, yeah, I think I oversent it. And I went off to the side. And I landed absolute like rear wheel.
Nice, dude. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Half Pipe 1. I've never ridden it, but Cisco has, and he says there's really nice berms. So
and there's tabletop.
And there's tabletops. All right, well, we're gonna hit it. Is this like the last one, or is it smaller? Smaller tabletops?
Smaller tabletop.
Okay, so I'll send them then, because last time it was kind of scary. All right, there's also a.
Like, these are all further.
Okay, I'm gonna hit this double though, like a step. I'm not gonna hit that step down actually. Oh, this is actually really cool. Super flowy. Oh boy. Whoa boy. That was fun. A little extra cutty. I forget that I'm on shale sometimes. Okay. This is really cool. Caution. I'm not cautioning. Ugh. Oh, more uphill, cool. Sick. Bro, my legs cannot handle this. Alright. Quick little hop. Yo, these berms are actually pretty sick. Oh, there was mud. I have no idea where I'm supposed to go.
Oh yeah, I can't say that with that speed. Holy cow, I almost went over the berm. This gets really gnarly. Caution. That's not a big jump.
Yo, I gotta hit the double. I barely cleared it last time, but I think I got it. Oh yeah, easy. Easy clear. Beautiful.
Double coming up and I want to send it. Alright, let's hit this double. I don't know if I'm going to clear it, but... Oh.
Woo.